Hello, this is Greg Hyland, and welcome to the Critical Tips video blog. Today we'll discuss the 3 facts to consider when choosing shoe covers for your controlled environment. And those 3 topics are the compatibility, the safety, and finally the comfort. So let's talk about compatibility. When we're talking about compatibility, we're basically referring to the material construction. And there's many material construction options. The most common is basically a spun-bond polypropylene, which is like a cotton candy. We do not recommend this material uncoated for a clean room or controlled environment, and can and will leave behind particles. This shoe cover, which is a PVC sole polypropylene laminated with the plastic, we do recommend, because the sole material is one substrate, it's PVC, there's no lamination, so there's nothing that can come off, and then the upper is constructed of polypropylene with a lamination. You'll notice this construction also has color coding for the sizing. So for compatibility, we're basically talking about the material and also the construction type. As you can see, the way these stitches are seamed on the inside, none of the stitching is going to release any particles. Next, let's talk about safety. When we talk about safety with the shoe cover, we're basically talking about the coefficient of friction. Is the operator going to slip when they're wearing the shoe cover? In this particular instance, the PVC sole material has an embossing to it. So the embossing is going to prevent slips even on a wet floor. So if safety is your utmost concern, we recommend a shoe cover not with an anti-skid coating, but actually with an embossed pattern in it. This is your best bet for the most safe shoe cover. And then finally, let's talk about comfort. Comfort and also safety. The reason why you see 5 shoe covers here is this is extra small, this is small, medium, large, and extra large. They're all color coded. And the reason why we have 5 sizes is your operators have different size feet. Let me illustrate what we mean when we say comfort. This shoe cover fits from the heel to the toe. So the boot is going to be comfortable within here. It's also going to be safe. So we would say this is a well-fitted shoe cover, and that this is going to be comfortable for the operator. Let me give you an example of a shoe cover that doesn't fit. You see how it's tapered at the bottom and there's excess at the end. This is not going to be comfortable, but it's also not going to be safe. Let's look at this large size. See how this large size fits on the bottom sole of the shoe to the beginning to the end? We would say this is going to be comfortable and also safe. Let's go to the extra large. This extra large size for this shoe is a good fit. The heel to the toe is flat. And then let me finally look at the extra large. So you can see literally how the shoe swims within this PVC sole shoe cover. This is both not comfortable for the operator because it's going to slip around, and it also presents a safety issue. Operators can trip. These shoe covers will have a tendency to stick on tacky mats. So let me just summarize the 3 facts to consider when choosing shoe covers. The first is the construction, the material and the type of construction. The second is the safety, which relates to the bottom. And then finally, comfort. Make sure that you have the right size shoe covers for your operators. Thank you.